Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be revealing a special little piece that I picked up from the Louis Vuitton Christmas Animation 2020 collection. So with all online orders, if you didn't already know, they come with this little folder or card which houses all of your paperwork, your receipt, and it also includes a shipping label in case you wanted to return your item to Louis Vuitton. I'm going to go ahead and put this aside. And this is the item in question. I think all of my true Louis Vuitton enthusiasts will be able to guess what item I picked up just by the size and shape of this box. But without further ado, I will pull the little tab and reveal to you a dust bag. No, I'm joking. It is a cute dust bag though. What I picked up from this year's Christmas animation collection is, ta-da, the mini pochette in the Damier Ebene print, which features Vivienne, who is essentially Louis Vuitton's mascot, riding a Louis Vuitton Ferris wheel, which is just so adorable. I think if there was a Louis Vuitton Ferris wheel available, I would be first in line. This year's mini pochette also has a rose ballerine tab, and it's also lined in the rose ballerine color, which I just think is so gorgeous. I mean, brown and pink always go together so well, and so I was really happy to see this color combination come out this year, and I just think overall the design is adorable, and it really brings back good memories for me because I love to go to the state fair where I live every year, and you know, with the pandemic that's been going on, I won't be able to do that this year. So I thought I would pick myself up something cute and sweet and adorable to keep those memories of going to the fair alive for me this year. But I'm just so thrilled. I think it is so cute. All of the other designs are cute. I might have a little sneaky something else coming in the mail very soon that I'll be unboxing. But I hope that you enjoyed this quick little video. Hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks, bye!